How to go to Facebook Marketplace. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can go to Facebook Marketplace, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to go to Facebook Marketplace, sometimes you might not find the options. So if I open up Facebook over here, now in my case the Facebook Marketplace icon is right at the menu bar, but this only shows up menu bar when you actually use Marketplace frequently. So let's say you're trying to use a Facebook Marketplace for the first time and you don't find the option at the menu bar, then what you need to do is you need to tap the three lines icon, which is the menu icon here, and then just go to see more option and look for the option called Marketplace, which in my case is right over here. Now these items are basically just the items that you frequently use. If you use pages more often, pages will show up here. If you use videos more often, videos will show up here. And if you use Marketplace more often, Marketplace will show up over there. And just like that, you can access Facebook Marketplace, you can shop for other products, or you can also simply sell your own products by tapping the sell option here. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically go to Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.